What if your money started paying you every single month, without trading daily, without watching charts 24/7, without stress? Today, I'm going to break down one of the most powerful dividend investing books ever written, Get Rich with Dividends by Marc Lichtenfeld. And trust me, this is not about getting rich quick. This is about building a system that pays you for life. If you stay till the end, you'll understand what is the 10-11-12 system, how to target double-digit returns, and how to build passive income the smart way. Let's start. Most people think dividend investing is boring. They think returns are small, it's slow, it's only for old people. But Marc Lichtenfeld proves something different. He shows how dividend growth investing, when done correctly, can generate 10% yield, 11% dividend growth, 12% total annual returns. And the key word here is system. This is not random stock picking, it's rule-based investing. This is the core of the book. Step 1. 10% yield on cost. You don't need 10% yield today. You buy high-quality dividend stocks with 3 to 4% yield, strong business model, consistent dividend history. Then, over time, as dividends grow, your yield on original investment grows. Example: if you invest $10,000 in a stock paying 3% dividend, that's $300 per year. If that company increases dividend every year, after 10 years, you might be earning 8 to 10% on your original investment. That's powerful compounding. Step 2. 11% dividend growth. The book focuses on companies that increase dividends every year. Why? Because dividend growth equals healthy business. Companies that consistently increase payouts, generate strong cash flow, have pricing power, survive recessions. This is safer than chasing high 12 to 15% yield traps. Step 3. 12% total returns. Total return equals dividend income plus stock price growth. When dividends grow, stock prices usually grow too, because investors value companies with increasing payouts. So instead of speculation, you invest in cash-generating machines. Now let's talk about real learning. 1. Dividend safety is everything. High dividend means nothing if it gets cut. The book teaches you to check payout ratio, debt level, free cash flow, earnings consistency. A safe 4% yield is better than risky 12%. 2. Reinvest dividends early. In the early phase, reinvest dividends. This accelerates compounding massively. Example: if you earn $1,000 in dividends and reinvest, next year you earn dividends on that too. That's how wealth snowballs. 3. Ignore market noise. Dividend investors don't panic every correction. If stock falls but dividend is safe, you buy more. Market crashes become opportunities. This mindset is completely different from trading. 4. Time greater than timing. You don't need perfect entry. You need good company, fair price, long-term patience. Compounding takes time, but once it starts, it becomes unstoppable. Even if you're in any part of the world, you can apply this using dividend-paying stocks, U.S. dividend aristocrats, ETFs like dividend-focused funds. The strategy works globally. The key is discipline and selection. This is not gambling. This is building income-producing assets. If you want financial freedom, you need assets that pay you, and this book gives you a blueprint. If you found this valuable, comment dividend below, and I'll make a practical stock screening video next. See you in the next one.